How to fix 0x8096002A, no error description available in Windows. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Sometimes, native tools may face limitations that specialized software can overcome. Third-party tools often come with advanced features or support for more file formats. At times, the location where the file resides might have restricted permissions, preventing operations like extraction. Navigate to the Security tab and click Edit under Permissions. Ensure your user account has full control under Permissions. If not, modify permissions. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your PC will immediately reboot and begin a deep scan.